Alright. It is past bed destruction right now. Look at this. I am so rich. Look at this. Oh my god, I can get like 10 iron golems like this. Come on. Oh, don't tell me I'm lagging. Give me all the golems. Yes! Oh god. It is lagging. I'm gonna get fireballs. Oh no, I need to get a bow as well. Oh no, I don't like lag. Oh god. Oh, 16 emeralds. Alright, we're gonna get a punch bow. We don't even need this bow. We'll get ender pearls. I don't want to get a diamond sword. No diamond swords. I want to get some. I want to get endstone as well because for dragons. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Come on! Come on! Yes! There we go. Nice! Nice work! Nice work! Good job! Good job! Good job! Nice. Good. All right. Okay. Let's take all this out. We're gonna get an alarm trap. Well, I plan on 1.8 now, so yeah. Just letting you know. Alright. Golems. Okay, here we go. Oh, what's happening? Okay, I think the yellows is at their base. Sudden death is soon, though. Oh wait, hold on. I put some iron in this. Oh, okay, they all took it. I'm gonna get some arrows. Oh, this is so intense, guys. This is the most intense game of Bedwars. 26 diamonds. I have nothing to spend this on. I got like all the upgrades. Alright. So. Alright, my teammate's getting. Oh, we don't need diamonds. I have like 26 diamonds. We got all the upgrades already. And why does it have to lag when the exciting moment comes? Alright. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot about the knockback stick. Go get a knockback. Oh, we got minor fatigue. Oh, I should get alarm trap. I need to get gapples. Ender pearls are better than diamond sword. I don't really buy diamond sword. But we got diamond armor prop 4. Oh man. It's crazy. Oh, my teammate just gave me another emerald. Alright, ender pearl. Oh, we need endstone. No, yeah, I'll get endstone. Okay, that's enough endstone for dragons. The endstone just reduces the knockback, so. That. Alright, perfect. Come on, excuse me, iron golems. I want to look at my ender chest. Oh god, so much gold. My chest is like filled up. Okay, we got 6 iron golems. And oh no, my teammates might get fireballed off. Well, we definitely have a trap. Huh? Yeah, we have traps. Alright. Whoa, okay. I need to get tons of arrows for dragons. Alright, this is so intense. Oh. 3 emerald, please. I got 2 emeralds. Does he want a diamond sword? Oh. Oh, I hear a lot of fireball explosion. No, my teammate! This is why you don't walk on thin bridges when your bed's destroyed. Okay. Alright, alright. We need to get rid of all this. Alright, okay, it's a 2v2. We can do this. Okay, that's good. We'll just leave the obsidian there. Go. Oh no, okay. Don't tell me my teammate's gonna walk on a thin bridge. Okay, my teammate's there. I'll put like gold in the chest. Okay, I need this iron. Alright, okay, I got my ender pearls. Those are my lifesaver. Oh, hold on, wait. You know what? I'm gonna get a diamond sword. I'm gonna get it. Well, I'm so rich. There's nothing like else to buy. So well, we might as well get a diamond sword. And I'm gonna get 8 iron golems. Wow. I'll just take the rest of it out. Gold in the chest. Just gold in chest if you need it. Alright. Okay, he said it's okay, thanks. Oh, I don't think. Oh, you know, I'm like too rich. I'm too rich. My inventory is gonna get full. I'll get this gold just in case that I drop my bow or something happens. But I don't. 8 golems is enough. Get fireballs. Get ready for sudden death. Alright. Yeah. What? I don't know what else I can buy. It's nothing. We got molten forge. Got dragon buff. Got everything we need. We could get TNT. Alright. I really want this guy to know that I'm recording, but I don't really want to like advertise the channel. Well, I want him to know I'm recording. Maybe I would. I'll go tell him. Here we go. Advertising my channel. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oh my god, sudden death, sudden death. Go. No. Go. No. Do it from the top. Okay. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No. Okay. Let me turn. Everything's okay. It's okay. Alright. Alright, we got everything we need. We even got spare bows just in case. We'll put this there. Okay, sudden death. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh. Alright, we got. Alright. Okay. Oh, no. My teammate. Oh, no. No. Don't come for me. Don't you dare. I don't want. Okay, alright. Oh, there's another one. Shoot it. Oh, is it coming? Oh, I want this roof to be destroyed. Oh my goodness. Oh god, there's another dragon. Hopefully we can shoot it. There we go. Okay. Everything's fine. It's all fine. Alright. Okay. Good. The roof is destroyed. That's better. Oh god. Okay. But before the game ends, I'm just gonna end up rolling. I have 5 E-pearls. Alright. Okay. Oh god, where are all the dragons? No. Oh god. Oh, I'm so dead. It's a 1v2. There's no way. There's no way. Uh-oh. Oh, let me just adjust this. Oh, whoa. Whoa, oh. Oh, okay. And any... Oh, God. This is so scary. Sudden death. Sudden death, man. I need to adjust this thing. Alright, that's fine. Move it down a bit. There we go. Okay. Okay, I only got like 4 more minutes left to record. So... Oh. I have plenty of arrows, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, you know when I only have 3 minutes left to record, so I'm gonna end up rolling soon if the dragons don't get them. I have 8 iron golems. Hopefully one of them just falls off, or maybe the dragon can get them. I think they're out there. Oh, one of them fell. One of them fell. Okay, all right. Okay, should I go in now? Okay, I'm gonna. This might be a dumb idea, but I'm gonna end a pearl. I'm gonna end a pearl there. Come on, please land. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. I'm going in. Here we go. Here we go. Oh God. Oh God. Go. Get him. Come on. Yes, we can do this. Yes. Yes. We won. Oh my goodness, that was so intense. Oh my goodness. Fireball party. Woo. Yes. I want this video to be on YouTube right now. This video is going on YouTube. So yeah, that is another video of Bedwars, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to see more, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, goodbye.